Hi, I'm Dr. Gamble and I'm one of the chiropractors at Wide Oak Family Wellness. I wanted to talk to you today about what might happen if you come to our clinic for treatment of low back pain. Well, the first thing that would happen, of course, is we'd do an exam. We'd be able to provide you with a diagnosis about what's going on with you, and we'd be able to decide if chiropractic would be the right direction for you to go. Other care that we usually give with chiropractic care includes therapeutic activities, a massage, maybe some kinesiotaping. Everything's very specific to whatever the needs are of each patient. We're going to use Dr. Shaw today to be an example, to go ahead and show those of you who've never seen an adjustment for a low back, to show you what that looks like. Now, I've already evaluated her and I know what her spine needs, so it's going to be specific for her, and it may not look exactly like what you would get, but it's going to be close enough that you'll be able to get an idea of what that's like if you've never seen it. So let me go ahead and get set up. And that's what it looks like to get your low back adjusted. And if you have any questions, or if you would like to make an appointment, go ahead and give us a call. We will put all of our information in the space below. Thank you.